you're speaking to Nyana from Nyana Productions. We're based in Pietermaritzburg, just a media company from there. So we're just interviewing some guys here. Just like to know who you are, where you come from, and then what was this experience being like here in Dundee July.
Okay, so my name's Lionel Maddox. I'm from Pietermaritzburg. I belong to Irene's Models. I'm wearing Pamela Shabani from the Gateway School of Fashion in Pietermaritzburg.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, so we came out today hoping to snag the title of Best Dressed Male.
Yes.
And we won.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, so it's been an awesome experience. It's my first time doing the Dundee July.
Oh, right.
It is very different. It's been amazing, and I've actually enjoyed every minute of it.
Okay, I've heard from some guys there that there is an event that takes place in Maritzburg as well.
Yes, apparently it's the Golden Horse race day or something like that. Yeah.
All right. And how's the experience from here? What can you take back from Dundee to Pietermaritzburg?
I think all the designers this year at the Dundee July were extremely talented. I think the level of work that it gave good competition.
Yes.
So I think that's what the Pietermaritzburg designers need as well is entering competitions like this so that they can also level up to win things like the Dundee July, Durban July, and so on and so forth.
Okay, and you obviously said it was your first time here,
yes.
Dundee. Okay, are you looking back to come here?
I think next year I'll definitely come through. Yeah, the drive's a bit long, but I will come through.
I also came from Maritzburg, so I had to drive there. I know those 3-4 hours driving here. Yeah, it's tiring. And what can you say maybe for kids that are still at school that are looking forward to maybe join the modeling industry or fashion design?
I think with platforms like the Dundee July, it is important for young, talented youngsters to go out there and work their best. And I mean, if you look at it, the prize money today first place was 10,000 Rand and other things on top of that. So it's a good way to start off a company, your own company and your own fashion label. And for up and coming models, there is so much scope for models these days. So it's no longer just runway. You can do so much.
Okay. And I see a Zulu warrior.
Yes.
Can you do stick fighting?
No, I can't actually.
Oh, okay. No,
but someone tried to teach me, but no.
Yeah, okay. No, it's a nice shield. It's a nice shield and a stick.
Thank you so
much. Okay, thank you very much.
No,
thank you very much. You're looking forward to see you next year?
Yes, definitely.
I hope you'll pull up your socks for next year.
Yeah, no, definitely. Okay. We want the title again.
All right. Okay. No, thanks a lot.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.